All right, in this section, I'm going to teach you guys how to make and how to make the dashboard and then how to put everything together into one dashboard. So first of all, we want to make sure that we have the right size here. The size that we're going to use is the 1300 by 820. All right. Okay. The first thing that we want to do is to make the to create the image right here, and then choose the image that you had earlier when you import the Figma. So in my case, in my documents, in Tableau, and then you want to fit the image. Okay. And if you notice, this has like a white thing right here. We want to get rid of this. Let's go to the layout, and then we want to remove the padding. We want to remove to 0 for the padding. So it looks much better, right? All right, basically it's done. So let's put the experience first. So you want to put the timeline here, and then make sure you click the floating first, and then click the timeline here. Just drag all the way there. All right. And then remove the title because you don't need that. Okay, looks good. And then you want to put skill right here. The same thing, you want to hide the title. And make sure your skill looks like this, kind of like that. And then you want to put this one maybe a little bit here. Okay, perfect. Ooh, I noticed if you notice the circle here is too big, you can also adjust that. So click the down arrow here and good shit. And then the size, maybe you can adjust. Oh my God, hold on. Click this one, the second circle, and then click this. And we'll see it's going to be working or not. All right, it looks perfect to me. All right, so the next one that you want to do is you want to put your name. And then the thing is you can choose the text right here. And then again, if you use Calibri, you gotta be consistent with that. So for the name, let's see, you want to put your name. And then make sure you have a black color here and then put bold. For the name, I would put probably like 16. Yep. And then you can always do like this. All right, done. And you want also create another text field that's say your title. So again, change to Calibri and then change color to black. In this case, I don't put bold, just probably 12 for the size. Let's say student at CSUF, senior, probably kind of like that. Or maybe you can choose your job, business analyst, or maybe you can put both. If you're a student and business analyst, you can put it here as well. And once you're done, click OK. It's going to appear like that. And the same thing here to save time, you can do like Ctrl LC and the Ctrl V. Okay. And then this one change, instead of the name, you can say it's about me. Okay. Let's do all capital for this about me. Okay. So the next one I want to do is to put something here, right? You want to tell the reader what is this. So same concept, you can also put you can set Ctrl C and a Ctrl V and then put it right here. And then change about me to experience. Okay, looks good. The next one, the same, set Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy and paste. And this one, change that to scales. The next one is going to be the achievement. The last one is going to be interest. So why do I put interest here? I know some people would argue that why you put the interest here. So the interest is basically telling what the employer, what kind of things that you like. So maybe you can bring up this one to the conversation. When you have an interview, maybe you have a common interest, you can get more along with the interviewer and you can get the job. And of course, you can change this one. You don't have to be like this. It's totally up to you. This is the layout that I would suggest. And you can change probably like interest to certification or something that you want to show your employer. And the next one, we're going to add this little text right here. So we want to copy and paste again. And then in the about me, you want to change that about yourself. You have to describe probably I am very active student. And then you can just blah, 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 and then make sure that you resize this probably like around this one and then go here. Okay. Just fill this one, okay? It's you can pause the video and then do it later on. And then I'm going to move on. All right, the next one that we want to do, we want to put the LinkedIn picture and then the email picture. How to do that? So we want to click the image right here, floating, not the tilt, and then click right here, and then the menu is going to pop up. You have to choose the LinkedIn and the Gmail icon. How do I search for that? So I'm going to show you how to search for that. All right, go to the icon8.com and then search for LinkedIn. In the LinkedIn, I would recommend to choose probably a blue circle like this, and then download that. Oh, by the way, icon I it has a lot of good stuff for icons for free. So if you are looking for icons, you can go to the icon 8 and then after that just click download. And then the next one you want to choose Gmail. All right, for the Gmail, I like this one. And then click download, same thing. And then click show all, show in folder, and then you have to copy here and then make sure you put into the folder that you don't delete that. So the folder that I won't delete that is going to be documents, and then go to my Tableau wrap and shapes and then the resume and you paste right here. Okay, so we're done with that. Okay, so let's choose an image for LinkedIn first. Click edit image right here and then choose LinkedIn. Let's see. All right, I found it. Okay, LinkedIn. and then you want to fit the image. Oops, too big. Always too big. All right, looks pretty good. Maybe a little bit bigger. Maybe you can center image. Let's try that. All right, looks so perfect. And then you want to make the hyperlink for the LinkedIn. And then to do that, click little caret right here. And then you want to edit the image. So this is the one that you want to pay attention. So when you URL open, image when it's clicked. So you can put your LinkedIn right here, LinkedIn website. So let's see, LinkedIn. So I'm just showing you guys the example. So you have to choose your LinkedIn website and then click OK for this. And the same thing for the Google. So to save you guys time, just Ctrl-L and Ctrl-V. All right, change this color. This picture into the Gmail. Okay, so fit image, center image, and then when this change that to your email at gmail.com. Okay, all right, too big. All right, looks perfect. Okay, the hyperlink is done right now. And then the thing that we want to do is to fill out the achievement. So achievement is very, right? My achievements looks like something similar like this, but everyone is going to have a different achievement. So I would recommend to put the logo of the achievement right here. So the way that you put the logo, probably let's say that you got a scholarship from Deloitte, right? Deloitte logo, and then you want to choose the transparent. Let's see that you got a scholarship from Deloitte, and then you want to get this, make sure this is transparent. You know this transparent because there is a kind of like this. I don't know how to explain this, but it's going to be transparent, and then you just like save. And then the same thing, you can put the image right here and then make sure it's floating and just put the logo. So I would put this one for sure. And then resize that as you like. So if you have 6, probably you want to make this smaller, but if you have like 3, you want to make it a little bit bigger. Depends how many achievements you have. And the next one is going to be interest. Interest or hobby. So for the interest and hobby, again, everyone is going to have a different hobby. And then the same concept like achievement, you want to put the image right here. And then let's see, I like traveling, so go to the desktop. And I have that one in Tableau. All right, there you go. Again, if you are having trouble to find the icon, you can go to the icon8.com. Where is it? Okay, and then just search probably you like reading, let's say, and then you can put the picture here to the Tableau, download it and put it in Tableau. You got the idea, right? So basically just feel free to pause this video. I'm going to have the last part of this workshop is going to be a little bit challenging. So the next one, I'm going to teach you guys how to make this show and hide button like this. So it's going to look very nice for your resume. All right, see you guys in the next video.